All right, back again. It is your homework if you're in Mr. Short's class for Tuesday, October 28th. My class, you guys had the trunk or treat today if you went. Still got to get your homework done. Trunk or treat's over at 5, so make sure you get your homework done. If you're not in my class and you had your trunk or treat today, get your homework done too. You still got to get it done. All right, this is Eureka Math Squared, Module 2, Lesson 10, Homework Help. All right. Hey, make sure your first, last name, and class number up here if you have one of those. If you're in my class, you definitely do. Put the date on there too. Help your teacher out. Make their life a little bit easier. Okay. Show your strategy. Multiply, show your strategy. There's a bunch of different ways we can do this. Okay, which strategy are you going to work that works best for you? Everyone likes different things. Everyone likes different strategies. It says show your strategy. It doesn't say which one to use, so unless your teacher gives you a certain strategy, if you're in my class, I'm not gonna. I just want you to show me how you solve it. So for me, I want to break this down and make this a little easier. So 65 breaks down to 60 and 5. I want to break this down a little more. I want to break 60 down. I want to get down, we could go 30 and 30. That would work. I don't want to do it that way because I know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So I want to go 20, 20, 20, and 5. So I have 20, 40, 60, 65. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times these to get my answer. Put a plus there, plus there, plus there, equal signs there, and here we'll put our answer. All right, so 3 times 2 is 6. I know that. So if I have the 0 after it, sorry, I started messing with this. I shouldn't have. Now it's bugging me. All right, it's a sloppy 3. It works. And I know you guys don't make your 2s like that. I know most of you guys now make your 2s like this. That's not how I was taught. I was taught with a little swirly. So it's still a 2. It's not a backward 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. I put the 0. That's going to give me 60. Still going to be 60 here. Still going to be 60 here. Now 3 times 5, I can go 5, 10, 15. That's 3 times. So I have 15. Now I got to add 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 15. So 60, 60, 60, 15. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Those are all 0. Plus 5 is going to give me 5. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So we went across this way. Your answer is 100. That is just really sloppy. My goodness. There we go. 195 is our answer. Does that work? Makes sense? Hope we got it. All right. Remember here, in class today, we might have worked on another way to do this, where maybe you change this to 4 times 50. You find your answer, and then you subtract 1 4 times, or subtract 4 ones. So minus 4 to get your real answer. Because you're kind of going to make an estimate because it's quicker that way. All right, and then you can subtract that 4 to find your answer. You got these last two to do on your own. I'm not helping you, so go ahead and figure those out. You can pause the video, come back, or you can listen to this back one right now, and then go back and do the other side, whichever one you want to do. All right, number 5 on the back. This is when it says remember, something we've done before, we're going back over just to make sure it stays fresh in your brain. Adam tracks the exercise in his workout. The tally chart shows the number of times he does each exercise. Use the data in the table to draw a scale picture graph. So we have the types of exercise. We have sit-ups, push-ups, squats, lunges, jumping jacks. Tally marks. So he did 5 sit-ups, he did 2 push-ups, he did 3 squats, he did 1 lunge, You need 8 jumping jacks. Now you need to draw a scaled picture graph. All right. We talked about that recently. If you look back in your homework helper pages, it shows you in there. I'm not going to give you guys that one. I want you to remember that on your own. Scaled picture graph. All right, scale, showing different heights maybe. Using squares maybe. I don't know. All right, number 6. Eva swims 5/8 miles. Zara swims 5/10 miles. Who swims farther? Draw a model and explain your thinking. This one's a little harder, so draw a model. Okay. You need to make 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to make another one almost the same. But this one needs to be 10. So this is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Keep your lines about the same. This doesn't have to be exact. You don't have to use a ruler. You can if you want to. If you want to try to make these where everything's exactly the same, that's fine. And then you're going to shade in 5/8, then shade in 5/10, and then tell me who swims further. Right? Your model's right here. Tell me who swam further out of the two. All right. Hope that helps, guys. This is Eureka Math Squared, Module 2, Lesson 10, Homework Help. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.